Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Father.
Good evening na po pala. Who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven? My my mother is almost 80 years old. He is in the province. She is in the province. And since it's as a priest and missionary, most of my life I spend it outside the province. I was in the mission in Africa, then back in the Philippines, and still most of the time I'm here in away from home. And my knowledge of my mother was when I was a little kid. She was very caring and everything. Now that she's getting older, we notice some remarkable changes, just as we experience with our lolas and lolas. And of one of the very remarkable experience or attitude of my mother, she loves to collect things. Everywhere she goes, and coming back home, she will always bring something. And those things that she brings are actually unnecessary. We call those things like basura. No, basura. Ang daming basura ng nanay na dala sa bahay. And it took us years and years to convince her that she should not do that. But to no avail, she will always do that. She will always collect things. Worse, my mother collected the gravels, the boulders, small boulders in in a highway. So today we have a piles of boulders in at home. I asked my mother once, bakit nay kinukolekta mo tong mga to? The styrofoam, Jollibees, mga ganon. And she brings that in her room. I just wanted to know why. I really have to find, proper time also to ask my mother early in the morning when she was taking coffee. And I asked her last time when I was home, bakit gusto mo mag-collect? Di mo ba alam na basura yung kinokolekta mo? Alam mo ba na ayaw ko nang isama ng mga apo mo kasi puro basura dinadala mo pag uwi? My mother gave me three answers. One, sabi niya, yung mga nakikita ko kasi, meron silang angking ganda na may dating sa akin. Kaya gusto ko silang kunin. Yung papel, yung mga nakakalat po sa labas. For my mother, she was able to see the ganda, the beauty. That's why she wanted to take them and displace them in her room. Pangalawa, sabi niya, alam ko may paggagamitan ako sa kanila. Hindi lang sa ngayon, pero in the near future, may paggagamitan kasi ako sa kanila. So the purpose. And third, sabi niya, hinahangaan ko kasi yung paggawa sa kanila. Na-amaze yung mother ko sa mga bagay na nakikita niya. Paano sila ginawa? So, she took them. So, brothers and sisters, as I reflect on it, I have seen three important things that I have never seen from these responses of my mother. One is she was able to see the beauty. Second, she was able to see the purpose. And she was able to find the meaning. Beauty, purpose, and meaning. Nung una, sabi ko, hindi tayo naintindihan, sabi ko sa mga kapatid ko po. Hindi tayo naintindihan ng nanay na marami ng basurang dinadala niya sa bahay. Or the other way around, it's us, kami yung hindi nakaintindi sa aming nanay na ang basura ay hindi actually basura. Until finally, we just let our mother do that. And jokingly, and of course, we just simply said, the only our mother can understand the Laudato Si of Pope Francis, to take care of our common home, to see everything not as basura, but to see their beauty, their purpose, and their meaning. Sinong dakila sa heaven? Who is the greatest in the heaven? Brothers and sisters, Jesus, she is challenging the listeners, the disciples during the time, to be childlike. And to be childlike is to be someone who can see the beauty of others. To be childlike is someone who can find the purpose of everything. And to be childlike is to be someone who can discover the meaning of everything. Tama si nanay. Tama siya na dapat pala as a challenge for all of us, let us also see the beauty of everyone. Let us see their meaning, let us find their meaning, and let us discover their purpose. Amen.